Hi everyone. So I'm going to do a quick one on two products I think we're talking about when it comes to the gimbal market, especially the Pocket Gimbal. And we have two products here that I like a lot. One is the Audio M5. It's a new one in the market, and I think it's really amazing. You can compare. I'm going to compare the Audio M5 and the Phaetech Pocket 3. Of course, there are so many others there out there that needs to be compared. And please, if you have one that you know about, or the companies that you think we should know about, please just let me know. You can send me. I bought this one, so it's not being sponsored by anybody, but I think we have so many people who are looking for alternatives. Especially the Audio, they had the M3, which was good, but it had a lot of lapses, a lot of problems with the gimbal that couldn't turn around and all of that. But this one does a 360 degree. The pictures are really amazing. I've done a video with it and I like it a lot. I'll play it maybe in my next. You can see that very crisp and nice big screen. I think it has the biggest in the Pocket Gimbal market right now, and I think everybody really loves that. Everybody wants to have that. You can see that it goes around 360 degrees, amazing photos it shoots. I think it also has a very good night view, which I think everybody wants to know about. I'll do all of that next time, but I'm doing first look of this and what I think is really amazing about it. It has, of course, jacks for external use. You can put an external mic there, and so on and so forth. Everything is really, really nice. It has a good app that I think everybody is interested in, the apps, to know what they can do with it. That's a good app, though I think Audio can do a whole lot more with that, but I think it's something that's good enough for you to be able to do whatever you want to do. So it's an amazing product. Like I said, it has a lot of things going for it. They answered a lot of questions. It might not be in the class of what some people think. It's a big name, but I think they've done a whole lot that you can use. Then I also have the Phaetech 3 here. Pocket 3, it's an amazing product. We all have heard about it before. We have seen it being used, and compared to the Audio, I think both of them are really amazing for the price that they're going for, about the same range, $200 and something to be able to get any one of this, you know. And this can work separately. You've seen all those videos. You can work with a handle. I also bought this, of course, that you can use with your phone if you need a big screen. And so I think they didn't do a bad job with this. The only problem I have with this product is the external mics that you cannot use with it, because everybody wants very, very amazing sound, and so they want to see if they can do something with an external mic, which this doesn't give us the leverage to do. So please, Phaetech, do something about that. I think with that, you will have an amazing product in our hand. If you can have something that can give us good sound externally, and also the screen, maybe the next time, give us a big screen that we can work with, just like the Audio did. It might not be as big as that Audio, because the Audio also needs to work on their body, because their body is quite big compared to this. So that's just it. So we need this to be a little bit tinier. The body needs to be a little bit tinier, and if all this can be packed into something a little bit more compact, it will be an most amazing product. And for this, I think it's an amazing product already, and we need to work on those little things. So apart from that, I think both of them are really good products that we can all think of using. This one comes with so many things, the Phaetech. So you're out there, you want something good for content creation, vlogging, whatever it is. I think these are amazing alternatives to any other product out there. I know we have so many of them, and I would really love to take our time to review them, or at least show them to our customers, people who want to out there, and let them know what they can go for. And you can get this from the manufacturer side, or you can go to a place like Amazon or AliExpress, and you can get them. And if you have a product that you think needs to be seen, or we need to know about, talk about, please let me know, and we'll do that next time. So please, I'm looking forward to that. But both of the products are amazing, and I think we should go out for them.